It's the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. My favorite verse. Hi guys. So how do you sometimes enjoy your hard-boiled eggs? Let's stop eating boring hard-boiled eggs, okay? Let's try this simple but delicious fried hard-boiled eggs, family, and you'll be glad you did. So let's go. So in our saucepan, we add our eggs, some water, and some salt to cook. So now our eggs are ready. So we're gonna peel it and then coat it with some breadcrumbs. I add a little seasoning to my breadcrumbs, which is optional, okay? So if you don't have breadcrumbs available, you can use normal flour, okay? Yes, we just want to give it this brownish color and then coat it a bit, okay? So whilst doing that, I have preheated my oil, so I drop my coated hard-boiled eggs one after the other. But family, please be careful, okay? Because it can be very wonderful. You know what I mean. So we're gonna fry this for just about 5 to 10 minutes, and then voila, we are done. Just look at it. Very simple to make. You can enjoy it with every recipe of yours. So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. It's a doing of the Lord, and it's so marvelous in my eyes. If you are new to my channel, thank you and welcome. Kindly click on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified, okay? So let's enjoy some delicious hard-boiled eggs, and you will be glad you did. Thank you guys. I love you. See ya. Bye bye.